against the Golden State Warriors.
I know. This is awesome. Our players did so well and got so much better as our season went on. Hey, look, there's Steph Curry.
Oh, Curry Schmurray. What does he have on Grace? Remember that game-winning shot she made at the Skillery?
Yeah, that was epic.
Gave me chills.
So, 3rd and 4th graders, if you want to be a part of this action next year, come join us next winter for basketball.
And now, it's time for the starting lineup.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
Adelina.
Addison.
Anik.
Audrey.
Carly.
Emery.
Gwen.
Jada.
Kiona.
Lily.
Madison.
Mayana.
Peyton.
Grace.
And Solace. And don't forget, Samantha, you gave it your best effort with that broken foot. Good job, kiddo.
And Aubrey, you did a great job too. And for the boys, Anthony.
Aiden.
Bryce.
Clarence.
Cody.
Can I get a Daniel?
George.
Javion.
James.
And Julian.
Maddie.
And Yosma.
Nice job, guys.
All right, we're going to end with our cheer, loud and proud, so you all got to help us out, okay? All right, here we go.
Who are we? Truman!
What do we say?
Whoop, there it is. Truman! I can't believe we made it to the Summer Olympics for volleyball this year.
I know, right? Once we got those passes down, there was no stopping us.
Seriously, it was amazing. So, 3rd and 4th graders, if you want to be a part of fun in the fall,
You should join volleyball.
bump, set, spike!
All right, and now for our Olympic champions.
Starting with the girls, Adelina,
Alice.
Anik,
Anushna.
that was a good one, Aubrey,
Followed by Audrey.
Bradley,
Carly.
Cora,
Can I get a Gwen?
can I get a Jada,
How about a Jade?
Jaylin,
Janae.
Kalia,
Katie.
Lily,
Maya.
Peyton,
Sadie.
Grace.
And Samantha.
Nice job, ladies. And now for the boys.
They were small but mighty. And when I say
Indeed.
small, I mean by number. All right, starting with Julian.
Clarence,
Matthew.
Cody.
And Reed.
Nice job, boys.
All right, end with our cheer. Loud and proud. Again, you have to help us out, okay?
Definitely, you have to help us.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready?
TRUMANVB. Trailblazers.
Huh!
All right, so for inquiring minds who want to know where we actually did track, because our track used to be there, as you can see, we don't have one anymore. So, those of you who are curious, this is where it happened. That's right. Construction all around, and the we made our self-proclaimed track going around this trail here, and we went all the way past the portables, all the way to the 5th grade corner and back. This was it. This is it. Take a look. Inspiration all around. Don't you feel like running? Don't you feel like doing a HIIT workout?
I'd do a HIIT workout.
All right, shall we?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, now we'd like to acknowledge all those hardworking athletes who participated in track this year. So we're going to start with the boys. All right, here we go. Caesar, Charlie, Christian, Clarence, Cody, Dante, Isaac, Jason, Jesus, Justin, Matthew, Ryan, William, Zach, and Javion.
And for the girls, Abigail, Addison, Anna, Audrey, Brinley, Carly, Emery, Freya, Guinevere, Jada, Jaylin, Kiona, Lily, Millie, Nadia, and Adanelli. Thank you guys so much for participating in track this year and making it a wonderful experience for all of us. Congratulations to those of you who placed and put in your effort, all of your effort. Third graders, this is your chance. Next year is your chance to join track. And fourth graders, we hope to see you again. Plus new fourth graders, if you're interested, please join.
It's so much fun.
And a shout out to all of the trackers that placed for Blue Ribbon.
It's quite the honor, you guys. So Charlie, Christian, Clarence, Dante, Isaac, Jason, Jesus, Justin, Ryan, William, Javion, Abigail, Addison, Carly, Emery, and Nadia. That was half our team qualified. Over half our team qualified. So awesome job, you guys. Way to go.
Hi Truman friends, Miss Alicia. Wanted to thank all my 5th graders for joining patrol. You all will be very missed next year. Best of luck to 6th grade. To all my 4th graders, please come back next year to be a 5th grade patroller. And to all the 3rd graders, next year will be your chance to be able to join patrol. Have a great summer. See you soon.
My favorite part of the school year was watching how much growth my kids made on iReady testing from fall to spring.
So my favorite part of the year was the Student of the Month parade.
Hi there! My favorite part of the school year was definitely doing Makerspace and spending so much time with kids. I feel like I got to know so many more kids this year, so it was a lot of fun. That was my favorite part.
My favorite part of the school year was learning all about my students' different cultures and going to the culture parade.
Yay! My favorite part of the school year was getting to see everyone's smiling faces in the morning and hearing "Good morning, Miss Liz." What was your favorite part?
My favorite part of this year was playing with my friends and getting to know new people.
Hi, Truman Trailblazers. My favorite things about this school year include playground dance party, come on, come on, come on, come on, and pieing Mr. Gunter in the face at the Carney, and watching our new beautiful building going up.